Okay, everyone, I am back with day 2 of the advent calendar that Lozzie created for me. Get that? Lozzie created for me. So here's day 2, and it says, it's always a good idea to take some time for yourself. Hope this brings you some relaxation. So, and it is another 2-part thing. So let's see what we got today. I'm guessing it's a bath bomb in here. I'm not sure. So, feels like one. Let's open this one first. Yesterday we opened that first. Oh, I had a good guess. It felt bath bomby. Oh, and it's a Sanrio one. This will be cute. I'm excited to see it. I guess there's a different shape for each one. And I'm not sure if that means there's something in the bath bomb or it's just the shape of the bath bomb. So we'll have to see. I'm excited. And then in this one, is stickers. Oh, it's Gudetama. I love Gudetama. I love him. He's so cute. I have some Gudetama keychains like right here. Oh, with this this is from my advent calendar from Tony last year. But look, Gudetama. But yeah, I'm excited. Kind of want to take a bath now and see what's in here. Thank you, Lozzie. I appreciate it. I am going to relax. I'm guessing this is for journaling, and then this is to take a bath. So, thanks. And thank you guys for staying around. You have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 3.